For example, guitar, keyboard, ukulele, and the like. 6. Am I saying here, everyone? Okay, let me continue first. 6. Please, copies may be allowed to be used during the performance. 7. Attire or uniform is not mandatory, but is highly encouraged. Okay? Number 8. Decision of the board of judges is final. And our criteria for judging. First, musicality for 15%. Second, instrumentation for 15%. Coordination, 15%. Stage presence, 15%. Attire, 15%. Relevance, 10%. And the overall impact is 15%. Before I will introduce our panel of judges, can I request, can we be quiet for a while?